This week we are going to be talking about verb pairs that are often confused. The first pair that we're going to learn about is teach and learn. So to get instruction from someone is to learn. To give instruction to another person is to teach. And I'm going to write two sentences, and then later you can fill in the last two with your own sentences. So first I'm going to use learn in a sentence. So we learn at school. So we get our instruction at school. Next I'll use teach. So to give, Miss Allen will teach us about verbs. So Miss Allen's going to give the instruction. So don't forget to go back later and fill in an example of each of your own. The next one is especially difficult. Sit and set. To rest upright is to sit. To place an object, so if you are going to put an object onto a table or to place it anywhere, it is to set it. So I sit in my chair. I'm resting upright in my chair. I set the table for dinner. I placed the utensils on the table for dinner. The next one is lie and lay, and this is probably the one that people mess up the most. To rest or recline is to lie. To place an object, kind of like set, is to lay. Now, I am guilty of saying this one wrong. I will say, I'm going to go lay down to take a nap. That's incorrect. In fact, it would be, I am going to lie down to take a nap. And for lay, it would be, she will lay the hay in the barn. So she's going to place the hay. The next pair is let and leave. To go away is to leave. To permit or allow someone to do something is to let. So the girls leave the dance studio to go to dinner. So they leave, they go away. The teacher will let them finish their work. So the teacher is going to allow them to finish. Again, don't forget to go back in and fill in your own examples for these. The next pair is rise and raise. To get up or to go up is to rise. To move something up is to raise. And it can also be to grow something is to raise as well. So to get up or go up, the sun will rise in the morning. The sun is going to go up into the sky, so it is rise. We will raise the child to be polite. So we're going to, because it can be to move something up, it can also be to grow something. And the last pair is lend and borrow. To take something from someone temporarily is to borrow it. To give something to someone else temporarily is to lend it. So, can I borrow your book? So can I take your book temporarily? And to lend is she will lend her a pencil for the day. So she's going to give her a pencil temporarily. Again, do not forget to go back in and fill in an example sentence for each of these of your own.